YouTube doing a bike check. Haven't done one in a while, so here goes. I have white Aaron Ross grips, Aaron Ross keyboard grips, bars that come with the grips, stock salt bars, Shadow Attacker Strike front load stem, Eastern Curb Monkey tire, Eastern front wheel, salt forks, We the People Justice frame, Odyssey twisted pedals in purple, profile cranks, premium 25 tooth sprocket, purple KMC chain, fit bottom bracket, Eastern it's an Eastern hub, the one that Eastern bidirectional, laced to a black sheep rim and a Primo dirt monster tire, a stolen pivotal seat with purple under, animal C-post clamp. I snapped my frame, but molded it back, and a salt bearing headset thing, and that's my bike.